It's gonna be mostly just time lapse. So today we're back with the IS300 that's now on the ground. We are working on getting the new radiator support put on where there's no radiator support. The engine now runs and that's all done.
Yeah.
Drives is a little much, but
Engine's
it runs.
done and rear end is done fully.
Yeah. So now we just gotta get radiator support, radiator, fix power steering leaks, and that's really it.
And the body panels, and I still gotta get my cotter pins for the rear, and I still gotta get a filter, and then that's it.
Yeah.
And also my headlight and my hood. But I don't think I'm gonna run it with a hood for a minute. Yo, my tie down, I forgot about that.
Oh, the battery?
Yeah, I need to have a tie down for the tracks.
So we're gonna get to work on that. Probably gonna set the camera up. Most this is gonna be a time lapse more than anything. Just gonna be a lot of drilling, cutting, sanding, and
Sanding?
we gotta grind it. Not sanding, grinding. We gotta grind the thing down. So
And enjoy the music.
So what we're doing now is we highlighted some of the spot welds for the bottom of the radiator support.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and probably another 4 back there.
Yeah, so we're just drilling those out so we can drop the whole bottom piece right out. So far we're working on these spot welds on this side. We cut that right there to make a little bit more room. Did not even start over here yet. We're just trying to cut to make room for spot welds that go focuses along right here. Those spot welds, we gotta get those out so we can drop that whole piece and then do the same thing to the other side.
Yeah, it's gonna take way longer than I actually expected. Like I thought, you know, I could have it done maybe by like yesterday, and it's not happening at all. Cause it's about like 8, and we both work tomorrow. I think actually it's 8. Yeah. 8:06.
Yeah. Alright, so we're filming kind of where we're at. We moved on to this side, cut the rest of the bottom of the radiator support out, which is right over here. This side, we're completely off, and we just basically gotta slide it on to maybe bend it back a little bit or grind the tops of the heads down. So over here, we got these holes drilled, so we're just gonna start working on these two up here, and then on the inside, and then get this last bracket off.
And this car should be done, maybe anytime soon. Just someone spilled something on the floor which made it very dirty and slippery. The light gave out. But after that, should be very close to being done, and then I gotta do an oil change and then all that stuff. I don't want to deal with that.
And like the hole in the bumper.
Where? Oh, it was like that. I bought the car like that. See, technically, I don't really gotta fill that hole though. If I just put tape in the back of it, it's fiberglass.
Yeah, you gotta fill the hole.
Alright, so my main thing is just that. Cause imagine just like a black grill just right there. Like, Like just imagine that on. I don't want to get it dirty, which is why I left it in my pocket. But yeah, imagine this on. It's not an Altez, that's actually an IS300. But same thing, different engines and different brands. But this will go hard. That's why I'm gonna do that. Cause I just want to see how this will look. Wait, I think I can figure out how this will look. It's literally just right there.
That's not bad.
Yeah, I like the black more. Yup. Cause see, my original plan was to take that one and put it there, but then this came in the mail, so then yeah, I did not buy this.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah. It's gonna match with the whole colorway of this car.
Yo, you can take the badge, paint the badge purple to match.
That's what I was thinking. This is the next thing that I'm installing. Just not the whole front end.
Yeah, not the whole front end. Just put the grill in the front.
Yeah, not the radiator that was right there. Not these pink hoses. Just that grill. And that's it. That's all what's next.
Alright, so I zoomed in. Alright, so we're gonna get back to work on the whole front end on the car, and then we'll update you guys as we go with that. Alright, so we're calling it quits for today. radiator support is slid on. That's about it. We got all of the pieces off the side. We got the radiator support just kind of slid on for now, not all the way, as you can see from the huge gap right there. We just got to grind down the rest of the spot welds so that they're flat so we can weld something to it. And then right here, that just needs bent. It's just a little bracket part on the bottom. It needs bent out a little bit. But after that, we can slide the radiator support on, get it welded up, and then get every other body panel and accessory bolted back to the engine.
Yeah, so the car is gonna run and drive. I just gotta take a couple things off of that, and it should be chilling. Wait, oh yeah. All I have to take from this is 1, a tire, 2, a headlight, and the AC condenser that's all in here. I gotta remove the fans, put those fans in the new ones. I gotta also take the power steering hoses on this one and put it on that car. But that's like maintenance stuff. You might watch it. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. I honestly don't know. I might get bored and actually come and do this stuff. I might get bored and come and do this stuff. But could be out very soon. I also gotta take this hood. And I gotta. Ooh, this is rusty.
I hurry up. We about to die. Battery's about to die.
And we're done.
So we're back at the garage again. Right now.
Yeah. Consecutively, we are locked in. No slacking. We're actually rebuilding this whole entire radiator because I don't like the fans that it came. Well, those are the fans that it came with, but I don't really feel like doing none of the wiring stuff. So I just took it off from the other car, and now I'm just putting the old fans on and this old sensor thing. Don't understand what it's for, but I have to put it on because it was on my other one. That might be a 19 now. Yeah, that's a 19. I got impact.
You can impact it off.
I'm gonna impact that 19.
Oh.
Yo, perfect. You see this? Call me a mechanic from now on. I'm gonna do all this stuff. Yo, this is perfect. You see how it fits? I think it was meant to be here. Like, completely.
Almost like it was supposed to be there.
That's torqued. Now I can put my pink hoses on this and call it a day.
So we're gonna be working on basically where we left off, grinding, and then doing stuff to
Close all that.
yeah, weld this back on.
And then put that down, and then the AC and all that stuff, I'll do it a whole different day. Power steering, I just gotta refill it. Well, I gotta connect my things back.
You gotta do the hoses.
I kinda don't want to. Like, this is like my main thing with the bomb builder. It's just this the only part connected left. Yeah, this is fiberglass. It's a nice purple too. I'm not gonna lie. So I just gotta connect this 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, and then yeah, that's it. Then I can put my grill. Actually, where's my grill at? Nah. We don't talk about that hole right there. Nah. We talk about the fact that this grill is gonna sit like right. You about both on. Oh wait. Like that. Yeah, I like this more. I'm using this.
Yeah, with the purple, that actually looks kind of good.
And I actually am gonna do that little purple badge thing. My shoes are in here too. I keep forgetting about that. I gotta like put my shoes like in my house.
So we're gonna work on getting this all cut down and grinded to slide a new support on. Wow, it's like you can see now.
Yeah, I know, cause like this is supposed to be pushed back.
Yeah.
And like you can actually see where it's supposed to be pushed back now. I think this is so as long as it slides in here and in there, it should like go all the way back, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, this is easy stuff. I'm not gonna lie. What are you for? I don't know. But yo, this looks easy. Car's out tomorrow. Let's go.
Yeah, bro.
I'm not getting it back.
Tomorrow is crazy.
Oh yeah, ignore that.
Get Mitch's dial bore indicator thing. Yeah. It looks 2.5.
saw it the other day, right? Mitch cleans up after himself.
So we guys, what?
We guys?
Hold on.
So we guys.
Alright, so we'll update you guys as we go along. Probably just do a little bit more sped up of cutting this and getting the front end ready to get the radiator support on. And then we'll show you guys progress as we go. So now we got all the spot welds ground down, and then we're gonna slide the radiator support on, because I didn't see that yet. We're gonna slide the radiator support on, and then we're gonna basically line everything up, start tacking a little bit, and kind of just mingle the metal where we need to. It's pretty rough on these sides, on both ends.
I can't see it.
So we're just gonna get it kind of mocked up and then start welding it on.
Yo, this is W lighting right here. It's got like a little tripod or something to just hold it right there.
Tripod for the light.
Yo, you see this though? See the difference?
Mm.
Instead of just like, see the.
You just gotta hold it like that the whole time.
I'm doing this from now on. Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna get a video of this and then get back to you.
That did worse. Yeah, I'm holding the light. I'm the light man.
Alright, so this is a basic mock-up of the front end. Lines up pretty decent. There's a little bit down here. Gotta bang out a little bit more to get this to line up all the way.
This side's over here is like perfect.
Yeah, this side's decent over here as well. Lines up. Down here, all good. So we're just gonna basically get to drilling and then welding it on, and it's gonna be done.
It's gonna be done.
Yeah.
Yeah, the drilling's gonna be done.
We gotta weld. Alright, so we're drilling holes in the radiator support now and get
Can't hear nothing.
mounted up.
I'm just drilling in this. I'm making the holes for the spot welds and that's it.
Yep, so we're just gonna basically weld it on with a MIG welder and then call it a day.
Well, I'm making half the holes. I'm not even making all of them. These,
Yeah.
I'm not messing with. This looks flimsy, and I don't trust myself to not like fully bend this as I'm doing it. So I'm just doing the ones that I know won't bend, which are just like the main ones around here. And then, that should be it. Maybe. We'll see. Yo, this also was not going because I had it on like Lucy again.
Well, yeah, that's why.
That's how I was going like, yo, it's taking a little bit now. Yeah, I can't even. How do people do this? Like that.
Alright, so now we're gonna work on welding all the spot welds on the front end. So we're basically just gonna line it up, step it on.
Ignore the hole that I made. Well, you can't even see. Oh yeah, there's a hole right there. It's supposed to be like this, not a hole, but I made a hole right there by accident.
We're just gonna fill that with
Yo, and these are also pink hoses. We're not sponsored, but you could get this at your local hardware shop for very cheap. And cool, man. And this is just as far as it's gotten. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all probably not gonna see this on the road till like another day. But stay tuned.